Hi everyone. I wanted to jump on here and record a quick video for you about the video assignments. So what I'd like you to do is follow what I've said. So like the first one, reading a book. If possible, use your literature activity plan. That's first choice. But if you've already, like Holly mentioned last night, if you've already done a book, you've already read your book, um, then or you've already written your activity plan, then obviously you can't tape it, and that's okay. Then I just kind of listed what I'm looking for, and then I'll tell you what the time requirement is. When you turn in the link, so what I need you to do is just create a Word document, link your YouTube video or put the link, but then I also need you to write reflection. So watch your video and let me know if there's something I should know. Something happened before that wasn't in the video that would explain what's going on, or just what you, and also what your thoughts are on how you think you did, and if there's any areas of improvement that you think you could make, and then any things that you thought that you did really well with. So for each four of those videos, I need a Word document turned in with the link and then a reflection. Okay. If you have any questions about that, please just send me an email. Just make sure you send a reflection with your video. And then the outline is just about finished. I'm going to just take another look at it. If you have any questions about it, let me know. But everything that is on here is what is due in the 6 weeks that we have class. There is an assignment that's an assessment project for intermediate practicum. I still have to talk to the preschool practicum folks to make sure that I'm being respectful of their project. And then Holly, I will create a folder especially for you in our practicum space, that you will be able to see the focus portfolio assignment. So I'll just put a little link right here that says Holly. Okay. I hope everyone has a fantastic week. And if you have any questions, or if you want to meet next Monday or Tuesday night, let me know. And then I will be writing the final competency assignments in the next couple days. There's about 4 of them up right now, and I'll be finishing the rest of them. And then we will be rolling. So questions, let me know. If not, have a great weekend.